Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm super excited to take you through a new boat to the Charleston area. This is the Saxdor 320. Let's take a look. So we have fold-out wings on both sides that drop down on both gunnels, creates a tremendous amount of walkable space and entertainment space, and a unique access to the water. We have a full walk-through transom here, so I can get from one side of the boat easily to the other. And again, I've got another balcony here on this side. Both of these are controlled via these buttons here and have extra locking mechanisms for safety. We have a reboarding ladder off to the starboard side, so easy to get in and out of the boat when you're at the sandbar or anchored. Power on this boat and performance is incredible. Twin 300 horsepower V8 4.6 liter Mercury Verados with joystick control. Push this boat right around 60 miles per hour and it gets there very, very quick. Here in the cockpit, we have a very versatile seating area. So we have very wide and tall bench seats. You can easily seat 3, even 4 adults here. You can create opposing seating with the teak tables that do lower, or you can create forward-facing seating as this bench seat is on a slider and can slide further aft, pivot the backrest, and then you can face forward. So back at the transom on the 320 Saxdor, I've pivoted this backrest to lay all the way down. And now I've got a huge aft-facing lounge. You can create a big sunbed, again, unique perspective of the water, very comfortable area to hang out, but you also have a tremendous amount of storage beneath this seat. Very deep storage, great for extra fenders, lines, stern anchors, shore power cords. We've got a fire extinguisher already mounted in place, so versatile seating space, versatile storage space as well, and incredibly comfortable. We also have swing-in doors on both sides with teak accents. So when these balconies are up, you can enclose this space and keep dogs or smaller children safely inside. So in addition to the aft-facing lounge, I can create an even larger sunbed and drop the tables down, bring this backrest all the way down, and then I can slide this bench seat further aft to conjoin the two. And now I have an even larger place to stretch out. So if you want to completely lay out and get some sun, you've got the ability to do that as well. So now I've got another arrangement in the cockpit. I've slid this bench seat aft. I've pivoted this backrest to face forward. And now I've got forward-facing seating. So if we were up and running, if I didn't have the day lounge in the down position, I could have 2 rows of forward-facing seating or 2 rows of opposing seating while you're underway, and a very comfortable space to do so. Beneath this seat, we've got a very large storage area. So in addition to the storage beneath the aft-facing sunbed, we've also got very deep storage, great for extra life jackets, covers, extra lines, extra fenders beneath this cockpit seat. This also faces our wet bar area or summer kitchen. We have an acrylic top, freshwater sink, Kenyan electric cooktop, 3 cup holders on each side, so 6 total. Little cutting board area. We have 2 drawers for storage, and we have refrigerators on both sides that do a great job of keeping all your drinks or your snack items for the day nice and cool. So coming up here to the helm, we have triple wide seating all the way across, very comfortable. The center helm seat is on a slider, which is really nice because if you want to use this as more of a leaning post, you've got an angled footrest here. It's a very comfortable position to operate the boat and you've still got great visibility. But if you want to drop this bolster down, now you feel like you're driving a sports car. Visibility is great with where you are with the windshield. You're out of the elements, and it's just a super comfortable position to ride. Likewise, your passengers have bolster seating on both sides, and you have a flip-down footrest for your port side observer. Instrumentation at the helm, we've got twin 12-inch touchscreens from Simrad, chart plotter, sonar, engine data, everything you could possibly need as an operator of the boat. We have an induction-style charger for your phones, 2 cup holders, a nice glove box here, VHF radio, joystick controls, also including autopilot and our skyhook features, and bow thruster. So this boat also has a bow thruster in addition to the joystick. Windlass controls are here in addition to what you have at the helm. And you also have push buttons for your lights and pumps, horn, some features like that. Overhead lighting on this big oversized hardtop. Plenty of shade when you want to be out of the sun. And this boat also has a great sound system with JL audio speakers and subwoofers. So here in the cabin of the 320 Saxdor, we've got nice headroom, tons of natural light, both overhead and to the sides. A very deep bed. So whether you're using the space for storage or you're actually wanting to do some overnighting, or this is a great place to put the kids down for a nap. A lot of versatility in this space. Our distribution panel is easily to access, along with our JL Audio head unit and our thermostat for our air conditioning unit. Here we do have our head area with a vacuum flush toilet and a vessel sink, along with a mirror and a privacy door that closes. So moving forward to the bow on Saxdor's 320. One thing I do want to mention, we do have sea deck all throughout the boat. So plenty of comfort for your feet. And then a really cool place to ride on this boat, and very comfortable as well, is here up on the bow. Plenty of seating for two, nice high backrest, cup holders on both sides that are integrated into the upholstery. And you have your JL Audio speakers up here as well. Grab rails for safety all the way along the gunnel. So you've got a touch point as you're making your way up here. And then access to your windlass anchor system is beneath this lid that's on a gas shock. So that's a walkthrough of this Saxdor 320. Again, I'm Carl Anderson, General Manager with MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. And thanks for watching.